Here at Sabor, we've made every effort to stay up to date on the many means in which people stay informed. One of those avenues has been the use of social media such as YouTube. These are great resources to communicate to a large audience, and they are relatively inexpensive. Today, we wanted to talk briefly about some of the legal aspects you should consider when marketing yourself or your properties online. The simplicity of cutting and pasting has made it easy to potentially be in violation of copyright law. Copyright law seeks to protect individuals' original works from exploitation through the unauthorized use of that person's material. The law provides owners of copyright material the right to restrict the use of their products, as well as provide them a means to request compensation to use such material. In obtaining permission to use the material, individuals are obtaining licenses. Copyright material may include video, photos, graphic design, and music, just to name a few. These are the items I most often see being used online by realtors in their online marketing. With regards to photos, if you wanted to show the San Antonio skyline in your video or website, you would want to either find a photo online and obtain the proper license, or you would want to take the photo yourself. If you wanted to put the Riverwalk in your video to show a bit of San Antonio culture, again, it's fine to take the photo yourself, but cutting and pasting it off someone else's website might be violating copyright laws. The same would apply if you wanted to use a photo of the Alamo. Because these images can be so easily found through a web search, it's tempting to use them in your marketing, but doing so places yourself at risk of violating federal law. The other common issue I have seen is the use of music in virtual tours of the property or in short commercials. Obviously, it makes sense that showing a piece of property without any type of audio makes for a very dull video. So the best way to market the property is to fill that quiet space with music. Here's what you should know. Buying the song for the nominal fee online is not the same as obtaining the license for the product, nor does buying the CD at the store grant you that license. To properly obtain a license, you must contact a content licensing company to be in compliance with the law. I will point out that most websites, such as iTunes Terms and Conditions, state that use of their site to buy music is for non-commercial use only, and that any other use would constitute copyright infringement. So what should you do to enhance your marketing materials? Consider these resources for your photo needs. 1. iStockPhoto.com, 2. Shutterstock.com, and 3. ThinkStockPhotos.com. Each of these provides you the opportunity to search for photos and pay for their use. If you want to use music in your videos and you're interested in using a specific song, consider expanding your search to one of the many resources online, but keep in mind you may still need to pay a licensing fee for the use of that song. Some last items to consider briefly are there are rules that apply to the use of screen captures such as Google Maps or company logos such as the Macintosh Apple. Both companies restrict the manner and means their products may be shown or used. Always read the permission pages on their websites or the appropriate licensing agreements to make sure you're in line with their restrictions. This is a brief discussion of common issues you might face when developing your marketing. For more information, go to the United States Copyright Office at copyright.gov or consider searching for the American Society of Composers, Artists, and Producers. Thanks for watching, and as always, and for any additional questions, email us at communications@sabor.com.